signal just by looking at the radar screen, looking at our planning. We did the euro now across the board against everything. The next one, we want to be looking at shorting the dollar, so I'm going to look at the dollar, but we also have the yen as a sell, so we want to look at we did the euro yen, we want to look at the Aussie yen, the pound yen, the CAD yen, and the Swiss yen. And just by looking at this, the Swiss is very strong, similar to the euro, so we might as well start with the Swiss yen, and then the next one would be either the Aussie or the CAD yen, and then the pound. So let's do the Swiss yen. That is our Swiss yen. And as you can see from last week, our buying point was actually 81. It ended the week at 84. That was a brilliant move. And if I can get the chart, we would be okay. There is the chart. Look at the chart for the Euro Swiss, for the Swiss yen. That is pretty magnificent. Just want to make sure that I pick the next structural points. Yeah, this is pretty decent. I mean, I like it when it's tested several times like this. So this makes it pretty impressive, which is the 8460. Well, we had a pretty big range there. We went up to 8467 and we closed. And as you can see, guys, this is all looks like the euro yen pairs. All of them, they look the same. They have the same patterns, that the chart patterns that we've been following. So this makes our trade very easy. For the Swiss yen, since we have a structure at 8460, and look at this, I mean, this is explosive move. Look at this intraday. This is an explosive move to the upside. You have Paul. Look at this. That as magnificent as it gets. And you get the confirmation up here. That as good as it gets. So we're going to take it above the 8460 as our long point. We're buying it above 8460. That is going to be our structure long form and our stop. On the short side, I mean, as you can see, there is this thing is no way. I mean, there's nothing but air, all of this area here. The first where we can get a hint of a sell is below the 83. I know it's far away, but any push to the downside here is going to give us another gift to the upside. So that would be our first short here, unless we see something on the intraday when we're trading together in the room. And our stop is going to be right there. So we're going to go short below 83.25, and our structure point is 82.39, and our stop is going to be 80.40. Okay, that is the Swiss yen. We're buying it above 84.60, which is our structure long point and our stop. We're going to go short below 83.25, and our structure short point is the 82.39, and our stop is going to be 82.40. All right, that is the Swiss yen. Let me save that.